Frustrated with a blank screen or frozen controls? You're not alone. Here's what you can do right now. First, let's try the basics. Turn off your Chevy, open the driver's door, and wait a full 2 minutes. This resets the system. Still not working? Now press and hold the power button on your infotainment screen for 10 seconds until it restarts. If it's stuck or glitchy, check your phone's Bluetooth connection. Delete your phone from the paired devices, then reconnect. Sometimes updates cause bugs, so check for software updates on your infotainment system. If you see a black screen, don't panic. Check your car's fuse box for any blown fuses linked to the radio or display. Replace if needed. Still nothing? It might be time to visit your Chevy dealer for a system check. Remember, most issues are easy fixes, and you don't need to be a tech expert. Fixing your infotainment system is simple when you know where to start. Try these steps, and get back to enjoying your Chevy Colorado. Subscribe for more quick car solutions.